but I got this mini bike. It's got gas in it. When you take the fuel switch off, gas starts flowing down. It's kind of hard to see. I ain't gonna let the gas run out, but it starts running out down here, which it's coming out of the bowl. So I'm gonna take the bowl off. It looks like a pretty small bowl, so I don't know if I'm gonna have the bowl size gasket I need for that. But I'm gonna take that off and replace that. A little bit of gas leaking out of it. Should stop. Pull the bowl off. Gasket did not come with it. I mean, the gasket doesn't look bad. Let's see if I put this back on here. I'm just gonna double check and make sure it's leaking from the bowl. So I'm gonna hit that fuel switch. Fuel drain into it, and we'll see where it's leaking from. Any second now. Should be filling up with fuel. I don't know, I might have to start it. It started leaking out last time I started it because I needed to see an idea of where it was leaking. I'm opening the garage because it smells like gas in here now. Still not leaking. My foot peg's not going out there. It's still not leaking. It also has no brakes, but it's not leaking now that I took the bowl off and put it back on. Of course, I'm wondering, like, why is it not leaking? It started leaking now again once I shut it all off. And I turned all the cameras off. And I turned the fuel switch off, so now it's just leaking around that bowl. So I need to get a new bowl for it. Or not a bowl, the gasket. And I got the air filter and everything off. But I'm just going to go ahead and pull all these plastic covers off. And I'm just going to go ahead and check the gaskets everywhere. That's just the breather tube. I'm not actually sure where the fuel line is. It's a short fuel line, that's crazy. If I pull this back, now that I can see, I'm going to put these back on here, tighten these down. Oh, I took the socket off. I went ahead and pulled the bowl gasket out, and it is kind of wore out in some spots. So I got a new one. It seems to be a little bit bigger than that one, so I don't know if this one's actually going to work. I might have to get a new one. I did take the float and needle out just to get that out. I'm going to try and put this one in here, and I don't think it's going to fit. Well, I better put the float and needle back in first. Just throw that across the room, why not? I don't think it's going to work. I mean, the gasket is bigger than the bowl. I'm going to have to find a smaller gasket. I got a new carburetor for the mini bike because finding gaskets the right size for that bowl are impossible. It says they were like the right size and everything, and they weren't. So if anyone knows how to get the smaller size gaskets, let me know. Otherwise, I'm gonna pull this carburetor off and put this one on with new gaskets as well. Oops, already losing stuff. It was rolling away. Now I gotta take this off and the fuel line off, and I'll get back to you guys. Alright, I got the old carburetor off. I'm gonna get the new gaskets, which are slightly different. I don't think that's the right one for that. Gotta open these. Then you got this one, and then this one would go on the other side. So this is gonna go this way. I'm pushing that all the way to the back. And then the carburetor goes on. After you hook up this linkage, this gets hooked in here. And then you gotta wiggle it around till it goes on, and then you gotta hook up the spring. Got the spring on. Then you put this stuff back on. Something's not right, but it's the exact same as this one. It's because this has been all the way through too far. I gotta pull this back a little bit. There it is. That's better. Now I gotta put this gasket on. This stuff. Whoop, I need that. This. And this stuff. The fuel filters. There wasn't a fuel filter on there yet, or at all. So I'm gonna have to But it is gonna need the new fuel line probably. Speaking of which, I need to put on. I got it pinched off because I got fuel in there. But I'm gonna get the carburetor all on first. Get back to you guys. I'll probably put the fuel line on too so it doesn't leak. Alright, I got everything on there. I don't have the air filter and stuff in there. I mean, it needs a new air filter anyways. But I guess I'll put this in there and we'll see if it runs. Should still run. I guess we should make sure it's not leaking. Alright, fuel switch is off. Hopefully this fuel line's on all the way. I might have to take it for a ride first to make sure it's not leaking. And just make sure that this carburetor actually works. So let's see if it'll start up. I guess make sure there's fuel in it. I mean, there's fuel leaking. Yeah, there's fuel. Kill switch is on. Still nothing. Whoa! It just wants to go. Alright, through the bushes. This is very bumpy. Oh my gosh. I'm doing this one-handed. There's also no brakes, and it doesn't stop. Okay, no hands. It doesn't stop, I have to turn it off. At least it's not leaking. That's gonna be the end of this video. Yeah, someone else can fix the rest of it. I'll see you guys in the next video.